this is pretty much the home screen of the application, guys. And very easy application. Do keep in mind you're going to encounter a lot of ads. So you have the AI logo option here where you can create AI logos. You have the text to AI images. You have the AI signature option. You have the AI enhance as well. And down here, if you do scroll, you have the AI prompts, which you can use on the templates, which you can use to create your own AI video based on these. So all you have to do is pretty much upload a image that you want to turn into these, and you pretty much get the results. So while I'm getting through the application, you will encounter a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. So down here you have the image option. It will just pretty much show you some templates which I've shown you guys earlier. So as you can see here, you have the dancing baby template and a whole bunch of different templates which you can use. And all of these are pretty much simple to use. All you have to do is select the one that you want to use. For example, this one here, choose the style and upload it. Will ask you to select a few images from a gallery, and you pretty much go ahead and upload those few images. So very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. And as well, while navigating through the application, you will encounter a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. You have the video option here as well. The video, you're going to pretty much see some templates, which you can pretty much go ahead and use these templates as I showed you guys before. You select the template that you want, upload your image, and you pretty much get these results. So that's pretty much it for that. They do have the banana light image generation or generator. You can tap on this option here, and you pretty much get into a prompt or pretty much what you want to generate. And once you pretty much enter your prompt, let's say for example you don't have anything in mind, you can tap on the surprise me option, tap on generate here, and you're pretty much good to go. As well, you have the multi-image option, which can upload multiple image and pretty much get one result that you want. So either one that works for you, it all depends upon you guys. But once you have done that, you pretty much tap on the generate option here. Will whatever ads, just pretty much watch off the ads. You may get 3 ads to watch off. So once you finish watching off these 3 ads, you're pretty much good to go. So I'm going to show you guys. So as you can see at the top, you can see 1 out of 3. So do make sure watch all of the ads. If you don't, you won't pretty much get the image. So once the ads is finished, you pretty much will see you can tap on the X at the top here, and you're pretty much good to go. It will start loading. As I said before, it does contain a lot of ads, so that's pretty much only downside of this application. It does contain a lot of ads, and to save the video, or to save, not the video, the image, you have to tap on this option here. Or if you don't like this one, you can tap on regenerate, and you have to go again and watch a bunch of ads. So a lot of ads, guys, but that's really pretty much it. And I'm just gonna exit or tap on the lose option. As you can see here, will pretty much see an ads again. So to get removed or to pretty much get rid of all of these ads, you pretty much have to get their subscription. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much after this here how to get their subscription. So these are just some simple ads, the one-off ads, not much. As you can see, we'll just redirect to Play Store there, and then you go ahead and tap on the X at the top. So you can tap on the diamond icon at the top here to pretty much go ahead and see their subscription page. As you can see here, you have a weekly subscription, you have a monthly subscription, and a yearly subscription. So either one that works for you, all up to you. So as you can see here, no ads, unlimited image generation, premium AI tools, and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for the application. However, if it didn't have so much ads, it would be a much better application in my opinion. But yeah, give it a try, let me know in the comment section. But without that, guys, see you in the next one.